Oh.
Hello everybody, it is 5 o'clock in the morning and we are in the queue for the toilets at the airport, ready to fly. We've checked in our bags already and we have breakfast at Wetherspoons. We both look great and I just thought I haven't opened this, so you probably can't hear anything I'm saying. We're just about to get on the plane and it's very, very cold. How are you feeling?
I'm excited.
So we have arrived on Spanish soil.
Hello.
It is about, do you mean Ola?
Hola.
It is about 9 o'clock and it's very warm already. So we're just going to collect our bag and we are back. We have filmed everything in hours. I have got clothes on, I'm not naked. And we've been by the pool, we had a nap. We both feel
A few naps.
I napped twice. We both feel very tired because
I've hardly slept in the last 48
and
hours.
honestly, like, even though there's only an hour time difference, I feel so jet lagged. It's
So
not even jet lag,
jet-lagged.
it's just like
Feel like
because
I've
we
gone
haven't
to
sleep at normal
Australia.
time.
No.
So we're just walking across the road.
We're
at the
trying to
moment.
cope.
Don't worry. We're trying to cope by only means of frozen yogurt
Yes, and shock and retail therapy.
and retail therapy. We just had dinner in the buffet restaurant at the hotel, which
It was
lovely.
very nice.
And so we will update you when we do something. So we have just been into a little frozen yogurt
Place
shop
of dreams.
and got some frozen yogurt. This is what we got. So mine is frozen yogurt with white chocolate sauce, peas and strawberries, and Ellen's got
Oreos, like jellies and Smarties.
heading to the beach today. It's the next day because we use this. We've had breakfast and we are at Port Aventura
At the
which is
water park.
We just got the public bus here, which was possibly the scariest experience ever. The guy nearly hit someone. He was like shouting. He let this guy get off to go to a supermarket and buy
And
some
come back on-
Carlsberg,
come back
and then
on
come
the
back on the bus. Like made the whole bus wait. Nearly hit a car twice, the same car twice. On
We
a
had
roundabout.
absolutely no idea what was going on.
We didn't know what was going on. We didn't know where to get on or off. We don't know if we've got return tickets or anything. But we're here now. We're in one piece. It's sunny. We're excited to go on the water park. Breakfast was great.
10 out of 10.
They had chocolate donuts for breakfast. Like,
And we had chocolate milkshake for breakfast.
yes, we weren't sure that we were meant to have the chocolate milkshake, but we had it. So you know,
It was
we're just
yummy.
waiting in the queue to pick up our
And we've got
tickets.
matching sunglasses.
We've got matching sunglasses. So I love these. Smile. Now I've got sausage, chicken and chips, and we've got ketchup on ketchup on a napkin because
No bowls were
no
available.
bowls are available. Ellen, what did we just go on?
We went on the slide from hell. It was basically a tube with pitch black, and so windy we got chucked up the sides, and water splashed in your face. We basically thought we were going to die, didn't we?
It was not perfect, but it's really nice here. It's really sunny. The ankle's cold here. We haven't discussed the ankle issue, I don't think. Basically, I don't think we spoke about this, but last night we were walking along like the seafront, and I was on the side of a curb and I like rolled my ankle, but like fell down the curb at the same time, and I really hurt my ankle. It's very sore, and then I had to go to get paracetamol from some weird under-the-counter shop. But we're okay now. The ankle is holding up. All is fine. No, it's not. What? Ellen is astonished. The aircon only works in the water. Oh, does it move? Next day, we're at breakfast. I have sinus toothache, which is not great. And you look a bit red on the camera. Just outside Barcelona football stadium, just here. We're not actually stopping, well, we obviously have stopped here, but we're not actually going here. We are just going to the toilet because our coach is dropping some people here and then taking us at the port. So we're just going to the toilet.
just really can't.
How many times a day does this happen? Oh, yay.